Today we're talking about breathing. This allows us to get oxygen to our muscles so we can better use them. If we hold our breath, our muscles can't engage properly. Today I want us to do a breathing exercise. And this is something that should not just be a one-time practice. It's actually something I've asked my dancers to do when we are in conditioning. It is going to take some getting used to, and you may not make it all the way to the end, but that's okay. Just like everything else we do, it's going to take some practice. When we breathe for this exercise, I want us to try breathing in through our nose and exhale out through our mouth. So we're going to start off. I'm sitting cross-legged and my arms are just going to hang out in a neutral position. My back is just lengthened. That way I have decent posture and my back is flat against the wall. So we're going to do this in a series of counts. Our first set, we're going to inhale through our nose for 4 counts, and I want you to really feel everything expanding. And then we're going to exhale for 4 counts through our mouth. When you go to exhale this time, I want you to make a hissing sound like you're deflating a balloon. All right, so we're going in. All right, so it's 4 counts in, 4 counts out. Let's try that again. We're going to do this several times, and I'm going to have us increase how long we exhale for. So the first set of counts, I'm actually going to count for you for all of them. These were just our practice runs. We are going to inhale for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts. Then we inhale again for 4 counts, exhale for 8 this time. Inhale for 4, exhale for 16, inhale for another 4. This time you're going to exhale for 24, inhale for 4, exhale for 32, inhale for 4, and then we're going to exhale for 40. Like I said, if you start having a hard time, do not be alarmed. Getting to that 40 count exhale can be quite a challenge, especially as we're training ourselves to breathe properly, so don't sweat it. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So we're going to inhale through our nose, up 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale with a hissing sound, out 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we're going to inhale again, exhale for 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hiss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try the next one. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On to the next one. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope we're holding up okay. Here we go. This is where things really start to get challenging. Now we're inhaling for 4, exhale for 32. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hiss as you go. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. On to our last one. Now you're inhaling for 4, and now you're going to exhale for 40 counts. Really make sure you're doing that hissing sound all the way through to the very end. Here we go. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, Like I said, the first several times you try this exercise, you may be a little winded. You should never feel like you're going to be like hyperventilating or anything crazy like that. If you are, odds are you are clenching or not breathing properly. Again, you do want to be sitting upright and keeping your spine lengthened so you can breathe and control it. And some of this is just going to take some work. The more you practice this exercise, the more it'll help you with being able to better breathe when you are out on the dance floor, since dancers have a notorious knack for holding our breath. We tend to do dances just like suck it in and go. So try to implement this, and I will see you tomorrow as we talk about relaxing muscles while we stretch.